Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix Spotify playing random songs. In general, it's easy to prevent Spotify from playing random songs. To achieve this, there are several methods for you to consider. The first is turn off the Spotify autoplay feature. If you accidentally enable the autoplay feature, Spotify will put in recommended songs after you have finished playing your personal playlist. In the opinion of some users, this feature may cause some bad music experiences, such as Spotify playing songs not on playlist. Here's how to do it. On Spotify setting, choose Playback. Scroll down to the autoplay on this device and autoplay on other device option. Then toggle off the right buttons of this option to disable Spotify autoplay. Second option, upgrade to a Spotify premium account. Sometimes when you have a song in your Spotify queue that is not on your playlist, you can use your Spotify premium account to enable the clear queue option, which in turn remove all random songs. This is a feature that you can't do with a free account. You can start by getting a Spotify free trial for 6 months to enjoy Spotify premium features. What's more, you get more perks like shuffle play, unlimited skips, and more. Method 3. Log out Spotify everywhere and log back in. If other people like your family members or friends log into your Spotify account on their device, you cannot fully control the music playback of Spotify on your device. Amid this, you may encounter that random songs keep playing on your Spotify provided that those users and their favorite tracks to the Spotify queue. To get rid of this problem, please sign out Spotify everywhere and sign back in your device. First, click on the profile picture on Spotify and choose Account. You will be taken to the Spotify account webpage. Scroll down and touch the Log Out Everywhere option. Then, log in with your Spotify account credentials on your device to check whether the issue remains. Solution 4. Change your Spotify account password. If someone else has maliciously stolen your Spotify account, you may also experience Spotify playing other songs that do not belong to your playlist. All you need is to log out of all your devices according to Solution 3 and change your password as soon as possible. Then, log back into Spotify and see if the problem with Spotify playing songs not on the playlist exists. First, go to Spotify account. Under the Security and Privacy section, touch the Change Password option. And then, complete the process in accordance with the prompts. Afterward, log into your Spotify account on your device again. Method 5. Restart the Spotify app and your device. Spotify playback errors may be caused by the app on your device not working correctly. Therefore, the easiest way is to turn off your device and restart it. In most cases, once the device has been restarted, the Spotify app error will also be successfully fixed. After that, see if Spotify does a good job for overplaying the songs in your playlist. Method 6. Clear the Spotify cache. If the methods doesn't work, there may be an error in the Spotify app itself, which can cause the Spotify playing random songs problem. So, clearing the Spotify cache is a good solution as it will fix most of the Spotify playing issues. Once you have finished, Please check if the playback is working. Method 7. Turn off Spotify Shuffle Mode. Spotify Shuffle Mode allows you to randomize the order of songs, which helps get a new and varied listening experience each time. However, it may disturb you when you hope to stream Spotify songs according to the order you added to the queue. Thus, it is recommended to deactivate the shuffle mode to stop Spotify from autoplaying. On the Spotify app, play a song, and please look at the bottom now playing bar on desktop, on mobiles. Then you can view the shuffle button, which looks like two overlap arrows. Then, simply click on it till it turns gray. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.